Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to enable the dark theme on WhatsApp Web in simple steps. First, open your browser and go to web.whatsapp.com. Log in by scanning the QR code with your phone to sync your WhatsApp with the web version. Next, navigate to the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen and click it to open the settings menu. From the options, select Chats. This section manages your chat displays, themes, and overall appearance. Now, under the display section, click on Theme. You'll see two options, light and dark. Select dark and click OK. Your WhatsApp web interface will immediately switch to a darker palette, giving it a cooler, more eye-friendly look. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the dark theme on WhatsApp Web. You can switch back to light at any time by following the same steps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.